This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors. Invest at your own risk.
Hey, what's up, Daisy Dollar Dreamers? It's your buddy here, ready to dive into some juicy stock talk. Today we are talking about UPST, a cop start. Now listen up, because this one cooking up something big. Upstart getting up to release the results on February 11th, and I'm hyped. Why, you ask? Well, a bunch of banks have already dropped some mind blowing results, and I'm betting Upstarts will do the same and beat those EPS and revenue expectations. So let's get into it. So first, let's pop up a chart and sprinkle a little EWT, Elliott wave theory. And here at Desi Dollar Dreamers, we follow EWT. So if you see this upstart chart here, and I drew EWT here, it started wave one at $20, and it ended wave one at almost around 43 $44, and then we saw a retracement a little bit in the wave two, and then we can see the wave three going all the way from around 25 to all the way to $88. Then in the wave four we saw a retracement to uh, $53. Now we are expecting a wave 5 here with EWT. I'm expecting wave 5 to be ending at $107. So with the current release, if it beats the results like last quarter, if you see the last quarter, it went all the way from $45 to $88 in a single day, in 2 days maybe. If we expect the same thing and we are here at $65, and if we move past that $88 of last third wave, then the fifth wave will continue, and then we can expect to be reaching this at $107, completing wave five, right? So what's the takeaway here? So Upstart got potential, and the upcoming earnings release could be a catalyst for some exciting price action. Keep your eyes peeled, because this could be the wave we've been waiting for. So this is where I want you to take action. Keep an eye on those levels, and I mentioned, and watch how the market reacts post results. You've been thinking about diving into Upstart. This could be your moment, and remember, it's all about generating that profit. So let me show you guys where we entered, what we are thinking, and if we are following that same thing what we just told you here. So let me open. Yeah, these are our Upstart holdings. If you see here, we are up by 15,000, around 17%. I'm holding around 102K worth of Upstart. I believe this is the highest holding in our entire portfolio. And if you see, I've been holding Upstart from little over 3 years. Entered November 11th, 2021. But if you see, there's a lot more history. Earlier, we entered at $30, sold at around 360 or 370. Don't quote me on the exact numbers, but this is the history that we have right now. So we entered, since we sold earlier at 360, I thought 249 was a better rate. And then it's going down, 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 down. And then I started entering at the lower rates, at 249, 181, 147, 155. You see here, you guys can see that I'm throwing money at Upstock. But then this is when my luck changed here. So then I started entering again. After 155, I started entering again at 25, 18, 33, again 33, 35. Finally we entered again recently in December around 73. The reason we entered at 73 is here, the stock was 85 or 88, and then it went down to 73. We thought that it'll go towards around 90 or 92. I thought I can take some profits here. but it didn't happen. It went down all the way to 54. Now it's back to 65, right? So now I'm expecting, if the results are great, I'm expecting this to be north of 85 or 88, like I showed you guys earlier. The previous wave 3 high, it was at 88.40. I'm expecting at least this should cross this, and then maybe it'll go a little bit down, and then it'll go up again to 107 to complete that EWT fifth wave. Again, so I'll tell you guys why I'm thinking that it might go up, the reason it went up here, and then why we are expecting this to go again here. If you see here, at the time when they released the third quarter results, the stock was shorted nearly 28%. So after 2 or 3 days, they they bought the stock, and then now it is around 21%, I believe. So if you see here, let me show you guys all the ratings, and if you see here, short interest is 21% right now. So imagine if you let me go back to the earnings, what they're expecting. So they're for this quarter, for the fourth quarter, sorry, they're expecting EPS to be negative 4 cents. Imagine if they come up with a positive number, that means net profits, maybe 0 or even 1 cent of net profit. This will go above that 85 or 88 that I'm showing here, right? So if you see here, um, they're expecting end of 2024 to be little over revenue to EPS estimate to be around that 4 cent that I said. But end of 2025, end of this year, they're expecting a positive of 5 cents, right? So, so analysts are expecting this company to be profitable this year. But imagine if it is not in the last quarter, and if it is this quarter, or even Q4 or Q1 quarter. I want it to be Q4. That way, I can book some profits. That's why we are thinking. And then being short at 21%. If you see here, being short at 21%, if the stock goes up, and if they have to, if there is a short squeeze available, then if short interest goes to like 8% or 9%, the stock will be about 85 to 89%. um, that's all, guys, for today. So see you next time, and if you do not subscribe with us, please click that bell icon so that we can come up with more good content for you guys. Thank you.